Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you a working method to get free Discord Nitro in 2026. So let me just show you guys, this is like the modded Discord app. And when I come over to the Nitro thing, and it says get Nitro, as you can see, it is $99 for the year, but I have the option to do Discord dev mode. I'm going to purchase it and I'm going to get free Discord Nitro. So as you can see, it says I qualify for 12 months. So there we go, guys. It says your account has Nitro for 12 months. Experimental features will roll out to you for testing. Okay, bang, Nitro activated, as you can see. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Discord Nitro right now. So how do we download that app I just showed you? Well, we need to go to matrixmods.com, look for Discord Nitro, and this is the app that gives you the payment option of Discord dev mode. So I'm going to go ahead and press download, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So basically what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, and then you'll get free Discord Nitro. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files, and you just want to download some of these apps. So for instance, we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9, TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. But like the Travel Town one, I just press continue. It takes me to the App Store. I just got to play it, done. So peace out, guys. But yeah, you just want to make sure you're doing some of these apps. You're going to be good to go. So like the game ones are very simple because you just got to like play through it, One thing is, make sure you go to settings and you got that background app refresh on, and you also need low power mode off. But other than that, you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get free Discord Nitro 2026. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe. Also, if you press help, you can watch this video here, so that might help you a little bit. But that's how to get free Discord Nitro 2026. So it's super cool, guys. As you can see, Nitro activated. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But I mean, I really do like some of the Discord Nitro features, but I don't want to pay. So that's why I made this video, because I just think it's kind of stupid to pay for Discord Nitro. So as you can see, guys, these are the apps that we have to do. So I'm not sure what apps you have to do, but just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get free Discord Nitro 2026. Super insane, guys. And let's type in Discord Nitro cost, just so you guys can see. I didn't type it right, but here it is, $7.90 for a month, guys. That's crazy. So if you guys are depressed with paying for it, and I know it's like a big status symbol to have Discord Nitro, then definitely try out my site that I found for you guys. So there you go, guys. Just go on Matrix Mods and then type in Discord, and then you are good to go. So peace out, guys. This is super cool. But as you can see, it comes right up, and you just press download, and then you got free Discord Nitro 2026. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, because I don't think a lot of people know about this method. So that's why I thought I would make this guide just to share it with the crew out on YouTube. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Discord Nitro in 2026, guys. So it is super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, peace out.